Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss the most important scene of the play The Merchant of Venice, the trial scene. Before going the trial scene in detail, let me tell you which questions are possible related to this scene are asked in the exam. The first one may be comment on the procedure of Antonio's trial in the court, or how does the trial of Antonio become the trial of Shylock? Discuss. Or what is your opinion of Portia's argument that Shylock could not shed a drop of Antonio's blood in cutting a pound of flesh? Or describe the scene you liked in the play The Merchant of Venice. Describe and comment on the trial scene of the play The Merchant of Venice. The trial scene takes place in Act 4th, Scene 1st of the play The Merchant of Venice. It is the central and most important scene in the play. It brings all the main characters together and resolves the conflict in the play. This scene happens 3 months later when Antonio fails to repay Shylock. Antonio begs for mercy and Bassanio promises to pay Shylock 6,000 ducats instead of 3,000 ducats. But none of the pleas moved Shylock to change his decision. Shylock only demands that the court to execute the bond and do justice. At that moment, Portia, disguised as a lawyer, enters the court. She discovers that Antonio has been trapped by Shylock on account of money borrowed by Bassanio to reach Belmont. So, Portia feels indebted towards Antonio. Therefore, she decides to defend Antonio herself. Portia asks Shylock to show mercy on Antonio because mercy is a godly quality. It is useful for both the giver and the receiver. But Shylock remains unchanged. He only demands justice. Portia tried many tricks to divert his mind. Portia tried to melt his heart, but Shylock remains unchanged. Then Portia turned to the conditions of the bond, that the bond spoke of a pound of flesh. It did not say anything about blood. That meant in cutting off the flesh, he could not spill even the single drop of man's blood. If he did so, all his goods and property would be taken from him and would go to the state of Venice. Portia further warned Shylock that if he cut more than a pound of flesh, he would again be guilty and the law of Venice would punish him. And that time he would not only lose his property but also his own life. Thus, Portia broke the evil design of Shylock to kill Antonio. Now, Shylock was trapped in his own trap and justice was done and he lost everything. The trial was over and Antonio was free. तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सीन है इस प्ले का जो पूछा जाता है. इस पे क्वेश्चंस एक बार मैं फिर से बता दे रहा हूँ. कमेंट ऑन द प्रोसीजर ऑफ एंटोनियो's ट्रायल इन द कोर्ट. हाउ डज द ट्रायल ऑफ एंटोनियो बिकम द ट्रायल ऑफ Shylock? डिस्कस. What is your opinion of Portia's argument that Shylock could not shed a drop of Antonio's blood in cutting of a pound of flesh. Or describe the scene you like most in the play The Merchant of Venice.